Did you know Pichi Pichi is a traditional Filipino dessert made from cassava, a root crop that is easy to grow? Cassava was introduced to the Philippines by Spanish colonizers in the 16th century, and it became an important food source because it grows so well in the country's tropical climate. And over time, Filipinos use cassava to create many delicious dishes, including pichi pichi. This Filipino delicacy shows how Filipinos can turn basic ingredients like cassava into something special and delicious. It's part of our Filipino culture and tradition. So when you see this next on your dessert table, think about what I just told you as you eat this delicious dessert.